Alright, so starting off with this look, I use a big wide tooth comb to separate the back half of my hair. I then went back in with a smaller fine tooth comb to clean up the part, and I just used some edge control, and I also used the Shine and Jam Extra Hold to clean up those parts. So once I got the back half separated, I went back in and divided that into two. I applied more of the edge control just to make the parts nice and sleek. And then I'm just combing the product in. So once I got them nice and smooth, I'm gonna go ahead and just start some regular knotless braids. I can't remember the hair that I used, but I will put it in the description box below. So now I'm just continuing to feed those strands in. I did just use 3 regular size strands, nothing too big or nothing too small. I knew I was doing some jumbo knotless braids, so I needed the hair to be a little bit thicker, but nothing too thin. So I'm going to continue off with this braid and then go ahead and braid it all the way down. And I'm going to go ahead and repeat this process on the next side. Use more of the jam in between the braids just to make sure that the hair isn't sticking out. Alright, so my 2 back braids are about done. I'm just going to keep braiding that braid all the way down. So now we're going to jump onto the next section. I went ahead and parted my hair from ear to ear to go ahead and get that back part separated. And again, I am applying the Shine and Jam to clean up the parts and make it as neat as possible. That, and then I went back in and divided that part into another half, and now I am also applying more of the Shine Jam to clean up that part. This row is going to actually have 3 braids in it, so I went ahead and sectioned out the first part to go ahead and get ready for braiding. So once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and keep doing the same process that I've done before. Apply the Shine and Jam and the edge control and go ahead and start braiding out these braids. I'm going to stop talking and let you guys finish watching this video. So keep on watching and you'll see the end result soon. Okay, once I finished with the back, I went ahead and moved on to the top of my head. I divided that into, I think it was maybe 4 or 5 sections. I can't remember, but I went ahead and did the same process for the top half too. Separated my section, applied the jam and edge control, and then began to feed in the braid. So far, I'm really liking how it's turning out, so stay tuned for the end results. it's the next day and I am showing you guys the final result of these braids. Last night I went ahead and put mousse at the top. Of course, I dipped the ends in hot water, and then I also added these cute little beads to the end. I thought these were so cute. They have like some gold and silver tones to them, so I thought that was a pretty color to add. Overall, it took me about, I want to say maybe like an hour and a half to do this entire style. So quick, easy, and efficient. Something you just do right after work or on a lazy day when you just want to do something quick to your hair. This will work out just fine. So again, this is the final result. Of course, let me show you guys the back so you can see how long they are. So they hit like right there. I thought that was a pretty good length. I didn't want them too long or too short. So this one worked out just fine for me. So this is again the end result, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section what you think. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.